Hi everybody and welcome back to MDTV. As promised, we've got the Rascal in on the C60. They're due in any day now actually, so we actually have this demonstrator in stock, so we thought we'd just have a quick walk around and show you how it all works. There's not much new on this one because, as you know, there's a lot of carbon fibre of these on the marketplace, but it is rather well made. As you know, I'm a little bit of a fan of Rascal. I like their product, and what I like about Rascal is that they go to the furthest place possible to make sure that everything is, it's all within the rules. Everything fits, everything works. There's not too much lead in the paint. All the things that you would think. So all the certification is done as it should be done. So anything unique about it? Well, it folds up. I'll just put that in my pocket. We'll come to that. Come to this in a minute. It folds up just the same way as all other chairs. And as I say to people, when you get to that point there, stop, hand on here, hand on there, and roll it back onto it stops on the back. While I'm actually at the front, a lot of people would take that out. Now that is an air-safe battery. Yet again, just put it in your bag, put it in your overhead locker. But they have thought about it. They have put the charging point off the chair, so you can charge it here, and you can also charge it underneath the handset on the chair if you want to leave the chair complete. So that means you can charge it in two places, but it is air safe. So I'll leave that off for a moment. It's actually around about 14 kilos, so it's not the lightest, but it's not the heaviest. But they've gone to the point where they've actually made it so that it is jointed properly. And you've also got some suspension on the front end as well. There is a unique feature to this, which I rather like. So let's unfold it and put it back together again. Let's just pop the battery back in. Now the battery's dead easy on this one to put in, because what you've got on here, you've got the slide. But unlike most other chairs, you can actually see where the slide starts. So if you see the slots that are on the back of here, on the battery, and you can see the slots that there, all you're aiming to do is to get those into there. So like a so, and as you see, it goes in first time. All these clips, don't just push them in, lift it up, let it click into place. Right, so I'm going to switch it on. You're going to switch it on. Whoever's driving it along, it could be the wife, husband, whoever, they suddenly decide that they've had enough, feeling a bit tired, not driving properly. As you've seen in the little clips that came up, you do have a handset. Now what they've done with this handset that's clever is you press the button and hold, and you're waiting for two things here. You're waiting for that to go green, and you also wait till there's a little red light that comes on here next to the battery. What that now means is that I can drive that without being anywhere near the chair. So we'll let that just do a little pirouette and come back. Now I did mention that there is something that's a little bit more unique on it. On most of the chairs that are on the marketplace, when somebody's actually sat in it, they can still drive from the front, even when you're driving with the remote. On this one that you can't. So if you get somebody who tends to interfere with this while you're trying to drive it from the back, that can't happen. You have to drive it from the back only. And to get rid of that, you switch it off, wait for a second or two, wait for it to change colour, sometime this century I hope, and that'll go off like so, and then you're back onto the handset. Right, the other thing, with it being Rascal, and we've had this on our videos before, Rascal are one of the very few people who are actually using Life PO4 batteries. What that means is that this is safe to leave on charge overnight. What I'm saying is there's no cobalt in it. If this is in a fire, it'll just melt. If it was cobalt, it would probably ignite and make the fire much worse. So you've got the safe batteries. Now the other thing about it is, when you buy one of these, this battery has a lifetime warranty on it. So the person who buys this It doesn't matter whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. If the battery fails for whatever reason, you get a brand new one. So some really nice things about it. It's a really good price, and you have a choice of colours. You can have blue, blue or blue, so the 3 of them, and they're in stock. So come and see us, and we shall see you shortly. Thank you.